Intel has developed a new plugin that gives detailed CPU metrics and SynthBenchmark performance indicators for your game. I'm Stephanie Essen. Find out how to use the Unreal Engine 4.19 Capability Detect plugin to boost your performance in this IDZ Weekly. Using the Capability Detect plugin, you can access C++ and Blueprint-compatible helper functions for CPU metrics, render hardware interface functions, and the SynthBenchmark performance indexes for the CPU or GPU. Check out CPU Capability Detect using Unreal Engine 4.19 to get a rundown of installing the Capability Detect plugin and Unreal Engine 4.19 feature differentiation. With the higher core counts of modern CPUs, you can do much more with your game developments. See the link provided to read the article. Thanks for watching IDZ Weekly. See you next Monday.